Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and I am here to paint my doll's eyes. I'm trying to stay centered as best as I can. Okay, I figured that right where this is where you guys can see the best. We're going to do the tops of the eyes first. Let's do that right now. You use the same paint as what you used to paint your doll's head with. So here we go. This is my paint right here. You can see it. There it is, right there. Okay, so anyhow, there we go. And we're going to paint the tops. I hope you can, I'm hoping, where is this now? Right here, yeah. Okay. I might have to give several coats to this. This is coat one, the first coat. In my shadow again. I should plug this in so I can get light in the right direction. Next time I will. At nighttime the light changes in here than what it was in the daytime. Okay, we will do this again. We will come back and we will give this another nice coat. There we go. Oops. I'm going to plug this thing in the next time. There we go. I hope you got to see this. I hope it was on camera. If it isn't, I will try the next time. I might have to do it on my tripod till I get that overhead thing in. Here we go. All right, so that's all we're going to do right there. And put my brush down in some. Okay, now I need some place to stand this. Can it go like this? Oh yeah, it can go like that. There we go. I'm going to put it like this. Ah, there's an idea. There, right, like, okay, that's okay. I can do that too. Okay, we'll let it dry there like that. And we'll be coming back with more. Because we got to paint the whites next. Okay, we'll get the tops done, then we'll do the white and then top. Because if you look at the white here, it's a little jaundice, and so we don't want that jaundice yellowy look to it. You can see almost like a yellowy white tinge to it. That is what you don't want. We're going to make this doll new. Let's make her new and let her shine all the way through, right to her eyes. We'll just paint around that as well, and she'll look really nice when she's done. But it's just a matter of getting it together and yeah, slowly one stage at a time here. All right, thanks for joining me. We'll come back again. I got to seal up my paint and do my cleanup. Thanks again for joining me. Bye-bye.